Good morning, children. It's a nice, bright, sunny morning here at Heartland Forest. Today, I'm going to read you a book called Turtle Splash, Countdown at the Pond by Cathryn Falwell. We will begin. 10 timid turtles lounging in a line on a log in a pond. Startled by a bullfrog. One slides off, and then there are 9 napping turtles. The day is getting late. A rabbit rustles in the leaves. Yes, we do have rabbits here. Now there are 8 lazy turtles resting without care. A squirrel scampers by the log. We have black and gray squirrels here. 7 still are there. 7 sleepy turtles hear the crunch of sticks. Deer appear along the shore. Deer are very timid. Now there are 6 sunning turtles watching ducklings dive while mother mallard duck quacks at them. Then there are 5 idle turtles lolling by the shore, pollywogs, which are young froggies, swirl by their log. Now there are 4 drowsy turtles, quiet as can be. A butterfly flutters by, leaving only 3 carefree turtles beneath a sky of so blue. A chickadee, which is a bird, chirps in a tree. Then there are 2 silent turtles watching the setting sun. Mosquitoes above buzz their heads. Now there are only one lonely turtle in the fading light. Splash! 10 tired turtles settle for the night. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sleep tight. In the book that I just read, you can find all the animals in that book right here at Heartland Forest. You're looking at a picture of a midland painted turtle that likes to bask on the logs floating in our ponds. They have beautiful red, orange, and yellow patterns on them. We also have common snapping turtles in our ponds, but we don't see them very often except when they come out of the pond to lay their eggs in the late spring. They don't like to bask on top of logs like painted turtles. They like to warm up and get their sunshine just under the water's surface. They also sleep a lot in the daytime.